Saturday. So it's about 6:30, and yeah, I just got done doing my hair. I just curled it, and I did put some leave-in conditioner yesterday in it. And normally I like to only curl my hair like on really clean hair, except for like a leave-in, like heat protectant or something, because my hair is kind of like thinner on the thinner side right now. I'm growing it back, you guys know that. So it just, when it's way down, it looks like a little bit different, but it actually looks pretty good. I just have a little bit that leave-in conditioner. It actually looks really shiny. I just picked up one of these waters because everyone says it's like the best water. It actually is really good too. Anyways, enough rambling. I got on here because we went shopping yesterday and we got a lot of stuff. These bags are heavy as heck. So I wanted to do a quick haul so we can put this stuff up, and I obviously want to wear some of my outfits today, and Babe wants to as well. So yeah, I might try a couple of these things on. I don't know yet, but yeah. So the first place we went to was Rainbow, and the lady, y'all, the manager was so freaking rude there. First of all, it closed at 8. We got there probably at like 7:15, right? And like we literally were in there for like 10 minutes, and then at 7:25, she's like, "Oh yeah, we're about to close. Everybody come up to the register." And then she was talking to like her staff so rude, like, "No, I told you guys to do this," and just very rude. I just could not believe that. But anyway, and then somebody did say something, because you know, one thing about us, we're gonna say something. Some people were just saying like, you know, it couldn't be us. We would not be working for her. We would have got fired. So then somebody did ask her like, "Dang, you know, like," I think it was my babe. Yeah, it was my babe. She was like, "Oh, you must be ready." Oh no, she's like, "You got a date or something?" She's like, "No, but I gotta be here all day tomorrow." Like, girl, so what? That's your job. You're a manager. You know what I'm saying? You cannot just be treating people any kind of way. Anyway, so some of this stuff is Babe, so I'll still show you guys what we got, what she got. She got some cute stuff. So she got this dress, which is super duper cute. It's kind of like a tie-dye. They had some really cute stuff at Rainbow. I wish we had actually like time to shop. I got this dress, and it's just a cute little halter dress, and it's kind of like that same neon tie-dye type of look, and it's just a halter. So I thought that's going to be really cute and comfy, and it's stretchy. I got it in a size medium, and this was only $8.99. And then they had a lot of cute stuff like on the clearance rack, so I just picked up a couple of tops. So I got this one, which is like a little off the shoulder top, black little top, which I thought is like super cute. It's like a little blouse. I got this in a size small because it's, like I said, it's off the shoulder, so I felt like I could definitely fit that. And this was on sale for $3, so I'm like, I definitely need to pick that up. I also got this top, which was on sale for $3 as well, and it's just another little cute black blouse. And yeah, that's how it looks, and this was on sale for $3 as well. And then Babe got this, which is just one of their little halter body shirts. And then the last thing I picked up was this little cute off-the-shoulder pink top. And I think I'm actually going to wear this one today. And this was on sale for $3 as well. And they had that in a lot of different colors. And I got that in a size medium. Big old bag. Showed you guys earlier in the vlog. We got that comforter, that 12-piece comforter set for $69. But yeah, bomb. And then we also got that heart thing, but I showed you guys that as well. And then also, home decor wise, we got these bomb curtains, y'all. Look how beautiful these curtains are. And they're by the brand Adeline, and they're just a dark room. They're the room darkening panel, so they actually like black out. But yeah, we definitely want to have curtains in our next place. We didn't do curtains here because of how our windows are kind of set up. Like, we have a lot of windows, first of all. But we definitely want to have like curtains, and we love glitz glam mirrored, like, so we just want to go for that look in our next place, and we're moving soon. So yeah, we just decided to pick these up. And there was 2 of them. You get 2 panels for $16.99, which I thought was a really good deal. And I just think these look so luxe. They feel really nice, and it also says that it reduces outside noise. So yeah, we got those. To have a Burlington coat factory in your city, I definitely recommend checking it out. It's the plug, first of all, for winter jackets, which is really relevant here because obviously I live in Minnesota where it's cold and we have a really like rough winter. So yeah, they have a super, like, they always have really nice designer jackets for the low. But they have everything: home decor, clothes, stuff for kids, like all that stuff you guys seen I got earlier in the vlog for my friend's baby shower gift, which she loved. She was just really appreciative. So, and then I got all this cute stuff today when me and Babe went. I mean, yesterday when we went. We got those curtains, and then the next thing I got is this super cute leopard, or is this cheetah? Leopard or cheetah print, like zip-up pullover. And y'all, this is so freaking cute. Let me try it on for y'all. This is how the jacket looks, you guys. I thought it was super duper cute. It's just a lightweight little windbreaker, and then it does have these little ties here at the bottom, like if I want to cinch it in. And I could definitely wear it with these biker shorts, like if I would, like, that's cute. It's super lightweight too, but I can also wear it once it gets a little bit colder. I just thought this was so cute. This was $12.99. Also, she got me this super cute planner, you guys. I'm obsessed with it. It's an 18-month planner, and I don't know who is it by. I don't know who it's by, but it's an 18-month planner starting next month. And I just thought it was beautiful. For one, it looks really pretty, and it just says kindness always matters. And one thing we really liked about it that drew us through it, actually Babe found it, is the fact that each month has like these really nice quotes on it. And then I like the fact that it has like this area, like the priorities and all that stuff for each month. The thing we got is this 2-piece set. This is actually a 2-piece little velvet set they have for $10. I was really sad they didn't have this in my size, so I didn't get this. This is actually Babe's. It was only $9.99 for that cute little set. Next thing I got, I'm so excited that we got, and it is this crystal lamp. I've been wanting a salt crystal lamp for so long, and they had a bunch of them. So this is the one that we ended up getting, and this was $10. So I'm excited to put this in our room. I'm pretty sure that's what we're going to put in. It says this one was made in Pakistan. So yeah, I can't wait to actually take the packaging off. I'm gonna show you guys probably in this vlog. And next thing we got, we seen these super cute Rugrat little t-shirts, and we actually ended up deciding we wanted to get them as like some cute little matching nightgowns. So this one is mine. It just has Susie and Angelica on it. And I got it in a size large because, like I said, we were wearing these as oversized nightgowns. And then this one is Babe's. She got a blue one. I think she got it in large as well because we wanted it to be oversized. And it has Angelica, Tom, super cute. So we got those, and those are both like $8 a piece. I also picked up this super cute little BB t-shirt. I don't know what it is. I've been like on a little BB kick. I don't know. I think they have cute stuff. Honestly, my mom used to buy BB stuff all the time. She used to have so many bags. Like, she was really into BB. I don't know, that might be what it is, but I picked up this cute little just t-shirt. I just thought this was a cute casual throw on little t-shirt. It was $9.99, and I got it in a size small. And actually this says this is a BB Sports, so it was a little bit big, which is what made me get that. And then the last thing, clothing wise, that I picked up from there was this cute pajama set, and this pajama set was only $7.99. This has these cute little navy shorts, and then it actually comes with 2 hair ties, which is cute. I don't know if I'll use them, but that's a cute little touch. And then it just says less bitter, more glitter, and I'm like, that's just so cute, so me, and facts. So yeah, I picked that up. Oh, I forgot I got these. I also got these Welch's fruit snacks they had there. Just something I got in the line. We got this cute iPhone clear glitter case, and the last thing I picked up were these Nature Truth Women vitamins, and these are the ones that have collagen, and I actually got them in the gummy form, and this is the natural berry flavor. So that's everything we got from Burlington and Rainbow. So yeah, now I'm gonna put this stuff up and pretty much figure out what I'm gonna wear for the night. Babe is on the way back with our food. Oh, I got a new lunch bag. Let me show you guys the new lunch bag Babe got me. It's so me, like, what? This is too cute. So yeah, this is my new lunch bag, y'all. I don't even know I'm gonna go back to work until Tuesday. But yeah, y'all, that is that. So I just wanted to show you guys what we got. So anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.